Хлопці, дівчата, Motorikova vás zdraví, Diakša máme. Što máte nové? Ideme sobie dať toho peče. Toto zakúska sú z mandľovej múky. Okay. Zmiešané, prebačte. Zmiešané mandľová aj s riadnom. Okay. No a budeme vykrajovať a budeme plniť myšľu, že s džemom, bo moc zakúsky s džemom plné nemám, takže budeme plniť ingrediencii, nájdete pod videom a dajte do chladničky, že by bolo krásne. Jem použila maslo nestruhané, ale jem sobi zrobila. Jem mala dašto inče na plani. Takže rozvaľkáme sobi a budeme vykrajovať. So, ladies and gentlemen, those cookies with the ingredients you're gonna find at the bottom of the video. I took from the frigidaire. Okay, this is what happened. Okay, that's alright. Poskladáme nazad a vaľkáme. So, if someone is allergic, of course, don't do it, but otherwise, try it. So what we gonna do? We gonna take the cutter and okay, and we're gonna put to the oven for 370 for a few minutes. It depends on your oven. Okay, so what I'm gonna use, what kind of cutter are those? So I'm gonna use those. You can use whatever you like. All right. So we're gonna cut, and then we're gonna put the parchment paper into the oven. Takže vykrajíme. A toto je ešte troška hrubé. This is a little bit thick, so I'm gonna do more, but that's okay. It's cute, right? All right, and then we're gonna put, I think, jam in the middle, and we're gonna decorate. That's it. But it's very, very tasty. So I hope you will try it. To the oven, takže dávame do peca tak na 180. Takže už máme a Jemša rozhodla, že dakotre budú plnila džemom aprikot a dakotre Jemša rozhodla, že budú peanut butter. Ešte nemám ani jedna zakúska z peanut butter, tak sobi myšľu orichové maslo, tak si myšľu, že bude fajné. So guys, one of them I did with the apricot, as you can see what I'm doing, jam, and the other one I'm gonna put peanut butter. So it's up to you. It's your choice, whatever you like. This is the easy one because you don't have to make any filling like mixing with anything else, or baking, or not baking, but do the ganache or something. This is really easy way to do it. So, and it's tasty inside already. So like I said, some of them I use apricot jam, and they are really tasty with the apricot jam. So it's up to you. Alright, so I hope you will try it. We're not finished yet. We're gonna put some chocolate on the top. Alright. Ja sobie už namačala do čokolády. So I put to the chocolate, as you can see, the end and this one. And now what I have here is some pistachio. So I'm gonna put on the top. Okay. Alright. And it's done. And I think it's pretty cute. And you're gonna like it. And you're gonna try it. And give me some like. Or at least try. That's what's important. And let me know. Alright? Takže chlapci a dievčatá, máme to. Polovičku jem dala s džemom, polovičku s maslom, len tak, takže sú to jednoduché. No a navrh jem dala pistácii, troška, keď už každý dáva toto pistácii, dubajské čokoláda, neznám što, z Turecka, hej, dubajské čokoláda z Turecka. No tak aj ja dala troška. Takže ďakujem, že смотрите moje videa, nezabudte zdieľať a pridajte šaku, odberateľa, majte krásny deň.